I would like to
Hindi na,
introduce
mamaya
you
yung
to
81
my
yung pinag-usapan namin. Ibilas
Mrs.
eh, may premyo eh.
Meron ba?
81. Naka-81 kanina.
Pataas,
Anak,
pataas.
matalang 81 na yan eh.
Pataas.
Hindi naka-81, di ba tayo na
Ayun,
81?
ayun.
Hindi tayo naka-81, no, no, no.
Ako, alam mo to. I will love you always.
Wow, sarap. Naninino. Malamig.
And runs I feel the best. My love for you, Mother. You, your life.
Ano si Malo?
Let me say you will be the only one that I love for always, forever to cherish. I want you close.
Ang ganda pala boses ni Nino. Magot. Magot. Typing na typing sa letter lahat. Lahat ang ano na.
In my always. Do you remember it? Hong Kong, Honolulu. You, yes, you are my sunshine. You are the reason I wait for, and there's nothing I want more. I need you. I want to have you in my life. I want you always by my side. Now and for always. Whisper its warm.
Hindi ka pipitin na lang kung ano, galingan.
That I
Tama sa titig lahat ah.
when it's me. Just you and me forever. I want to spend with you, baby, my every always, my girl. Magaling sa ilang ito pinagta. 45 taon nung hindi pinagkanta ko. Para sa'yo, kinanta ko ito. Kasi sabi ko, always in my memory.
Yahoo! Sakto!
Para yung mga katusas, yung kinakatam ng
Always.
Sakto lahat ng titig ni Ninong ah. Ngayon lang pala